Hello and welcome to my channel and the second part of Dart language variables. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the explicit declaration of variables in the Dart language. When declaring variables explicitly, we specify the exact data type of the variable. This provides clarity and helps catch type-related errors in development. Dart supports several built-in data types for explicit declaration. Int, used to store integer values such as age and count. Double, used to store floating point numbers such as height and weight. String, used to store all types of text such as name, title, and description. Bool, used to store Boolean values such as user authenticated or not. List, used to store a list of ordered items such as a list of usernames, student grades, and so on. Map, used to store key-value pairs. Set, used to store unordered collections of unique elements. Set data type provides an efficient way to store and manage distinct values without duplication. Record. Record data type, a powerful new feature introduced in Dart version 3 that allows you to bundle multiple objects into a single value. Record provides a concise way to work with fixed-sized, heterogeneous collections of data. Alright, open up the dartpad.dev and let's start coding. The basic syntax for explicitly declaring a variable is data type name equals value. As an example for int number equals 10, int age equals 25, and int grade equals 20. Print number, print age, and print grade. I run the code and you can see the values of our variable in the console. As an example for double decimal equals 5.3, double height equals 5.5, double weight equals 74.8, print decimal, print height, print weight. I run the code And now you can see the values of integer and decimal variables in the console. Alright, I removed these statements and run the program to clear the console output. And now let's talk about string variables. String with capital S, my name equals Ali, string movie name equals Game of Thrones, and string description equals test description, and print my name, print movie name, and print description. Run the program, and now you can see the string values in the console. Very well. So far in the training course, I have talked about int, double, bool, and string variables, and I will talk about the rest of the variables separately in the next videos. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments.